Alright, hey everybody, RV Enthusiast here. Nice seeing you again. Hey, so I'm doing a swap out on these nut brakes to the hydraulic brakes. And I just want to see how bad these nut brakes are. And I'm also going to compare them to the Tectro Aries mechanical brakes that we have on the white bike. So we're going to give it 2 runs. We just need a rough average. We're not trying to see, it should be obvious, right? So let's get a run on these and see what it does. All right, guys. So let's get one final one in. And we'll call that a wrap until we put the hydraulic brakes on them and see what that does. I'm sure it'll brake it better, but I don't think it's just gonna make me skid more. And I got a lot of weight on this. Why aren't you? Right at 30. All right. I might do one more just for heck of it, just to see. All right, guys. All right, guys, this is the Tectro Mechanicals. This came stock on this bike. And to be fair, I'm doing about 21. Seems like I'm a little faster. $29. We'll hit that one more time. Roughly 28. Whew. That's some work. That's some work. All right. I think I'll take the tape off first. Maybe I should leave it on for when I get the other. I'm going to leave it on for now. So I'm going to try to leave these marks on until I get the hydraulic brakes switched over on the Cruiser and see what that does. Again, today's a little bit of a freak day. It's 50 degrees. Figured I could come out here for a little bit and try this out. We'll put the hydraulic brakes on it next, and that may be a few days, so I may have to remark because I have to, we're going to have rain, of course, but I hope to have this done by Tuesday, and I hope to have the hydraulic brakes on by Tuesday, and we'll test that out. So, kind of what I'm seeing is the nut brakes first stopped me at about 28 feet, 29 feet, 30 feet, roughly just under 30 feet. The Tectro hydraulic brakes, at least for me, when you're a big guy and you're riding it, it's a lot of momentum to stop, and you saw I skidded the back wheel, so in every case that wheel skidded, so I was applying as much brake as I possibly could, and you saw the results. So let's get back with this when I get the hydraulics on, but let's just see. Alright guys, that's the video for the day. Follow along for the next version to see what the hydraulic brakes do. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. We'll catch you on the next episode. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe as I want my channel to grow, and we'll see you later.